Media, especially printed media, alone acted as the backbone of all mass movement or popular upsurge in the Indian independence struggle. Till the end of the First War of Independence or the revolt of 1857 in 1858, few number of newspapers were in operation in the country. In the struggle against the British, some newspaper played important role. One of the prominent newspapers in 19th century, Samvad Kaumudi, was a Bengali weekly newspaper published from Kolkata by Rajaram Mohan Roy in 1821. Noted publication for his social reform activity, campaign for the abolition of the practice of sati. Mirat ul Akbar was the Persian language journal founded and edited by Rajaram Mohan Roy. The newspaper first published on 12th April 1822. It was published in weekly basis on Friday. Mirat ul Akbar means mirror of news. The first publication in India with democratic and progressive orientation. Hindu is a English daily newspaper headquartered at Chennai, founded in Madras as a weekly newspaper in 1878 and became daily in 1889. Founded by four law students and two teachers, T.T. Rangacharya, D. Keshavarao, and N. Subbarao Pandilu, led by G. Subramanya Iyer and M. Veera Raghavacharya. Subramanya Iyer became the first editor and Veera Raghavacharya became the managing director of the newspaper. This newspaper played important role and wrote powerful editorials against the policies of British Raj. Maratha and Kesari were the two main newspapers started by Lokamanya Balagangadhar Tilak, a famous freedom fighter. Kesari newspaper was founded in 1881 in Marathi language and Maratha newspaper started in English language. These two newspapers played crucial role in providing the information related to Indian freedom movement among common people. One of the oldest English newspapers in India, originally published in Bengali script. It was started by Shishir Kumar Ghosh and Motilal Ghosh in Bengal province of British Empire in India. It evolved into an English format published from Kolkata and other locations such as Cuttack, Ranchi, and Allahabad. When the peasants were exploited by indigo planters, the newspaper was fighting for their rights. It made major role in the evolution and growth of Indian journalism and made striking contribution in the creation of common understanding about colonialist policy of British rule. Another important newspapers during Indian freedom struggle were The Voice of India and The Indian Mirror. In 1883, Dadabhai Naoroji started publishing the newspaper The Voice of India from Bombay. This believed to be the first economic critic of colonial India. Indian Mirror started in 1862 by Devendranath Tagore and under the editorship of N.N. Sen, published in English language. Young India, Navajivan and Harijan were the important newspapers published during Indian freedom struggle. Young India was a weekly paper or journal in English published by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi from 1919 to 1931. He used Young India to spread his unique ideology and thoughts regarding the use of non-violence in regarding movements and to urge readers to consider, organize, and plan for India's eventual independence from Britain. Mahatma Gandhi's a famous newspaper Harijan, a English language weekly, means pupils of God, launched on 11th February 1933 to promote fight against untouchability and liberate those who were discriminated on the basis of untouchability. Harijan had enormous impact on Hindu society, made conscious of Orthodox community about untouchability. In addition to Harijan that was published in English language, the weekly also published in other Indian languages too. It was published in Hindi, Gujarati, Bengali, and Tamil languages with the same content. All edition had column and gave a report of Harijan work done by the Congress workers as well as the Harijan Sevak. Rest of the weekly was devoted to the depressed class. Hindi edition of the Harijan was called Harijan Sevak. Gandhi also led Harijan tour in 1932 to 1934 in several towns and cities in India to talk to the public regarding the untouchability issue. He also established All India Anti-Touchability League and Harijan Seva Sangh. Navajivan, a famous newspaper founded by Mahatma Gandhi in 1929, published in more than 800 titles in English, Gujarati, Hindi, and other languages. Earlier, Navajivan was a weekly newspaper published by Gandhi in Gujarati from 1919 to 1931 from Ahmedabad. Just like other newspaper, Navajivan was also started with the intention to promote the principles of Mahatma Gandhi's freedom movement and Jawaharlal Nehru's vision of modern India. The main objective of the newspaper was to speed up the creation of democratic, liberal, and modern India. The newspaper aims to promote social harmony of Indian independence movement. The Hidawada, English daily newspaper circulating mainly in central parts of India, founded in 1911 by freedom fighter Gopalakrishna Gokhale in Nagpur. It completed its 100 years and celebrated its centenary festival, which was inaugurated by Pratibha Patil, then the President of India. The another newspaper, Nation, also founded by Gopalakrishna Gokhale to express his reformist view on politics and society. Prabuddha Bharata or Awakened India is one of the longest running English journal of Ramakrishna order, published by Swami Vivekananda in July 1896. The main aim to disseminate the core of Indian spiritual wisdom. It carries articles and translations by monks, scholars, and other writers on humanities and social science, including religious, psychological, historical, and cultural themes. The another work, Udbodhan, is only Bengali publication of Ramakrishna Mission started by Swami Vivekananda in January 1899. New India and Commonweal were two early 20th century daily newspapers published by Annie Besant, a famous English freedom fighter in India, to highlight the issues related to Indian freedom struggle through her editorials. In 1940, she published these editorials to spread the socialist views among the common people. One of the most influential English language newspaper during the British Raj, The Leader, was founded by Madan Mohan Malaviya. Pandit Madan Mohan Malaviya, also known as the Mahamana, a moderate nationalist who served as the president of Indian National Congress for 3 times. He also founded Banaras Hindu University in 1960. He published the newspaper Leader from Allahabad. The Punjabi and Free Hindustan were the two important newspapers during Indian freedom movement. Punjabi was started by Lala Lajpat Rai, a famous freedom fighter, played pivotal role in Indian independence movement. He popularly known as Punjab Kesari. Free Hindustan started by Taraganath Das, an Indian revolutionary and internationalist scholar. He went to San Francisco, USA, and launched his journal named Free Hindustan. With its columns, he started influencing the American public opinion about the real condition of India and circulated the cause of Indian Republic. The work of International Congress and the resolutions in the meeting and all major political controversies mainly propagated through press. The Hindu Patriot, established in 1853 by Girish Chandra Ghosh, it became more popular under the editorship of Harish Chandra Mukherjee. In 1861, the Hindu Patriot published a play, Neel Darpan, and launched a movement against the British, urging the people to stop cultivating the indigo crops for the white traders. Neel Darpan, a Bengali play, was written by Deenbandhu Mitra in 1858 to 1859, which is published in Dhaka in 1860. Later, the paper was taken over by Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. This ultimately resulted the formation of Neel Commission. This paper also restricted and opposed the government policies of restriction of Indians in the appointment of government posts. Many of the leaders of International Congress and Indian freedom struggle were themselves trained journalists and used press to propagate their ideas to the masses. The works Bande Mataram and the pupil of Lala Lajpat Rai, Rasti Guftar of Dadabhai Navroji were the important works during that period. Since press was the powerful weapon in the development of Indian nationalism, British really understood that press in India became poisonous to British colonial rule. British enacted acts to regularize or restrict the freedom of press in India, proved decisive role played by the press in the development of national movement. One of such important acts was the Vernacular Press Act of 1878 by Lord Lytton. Banking Chandra Chatterjee and Rabindranath Tagore in Bengali, Lakshmikant Bejarua in Assamese, Vishnu Shastri Chiplinkar in Marathi, Bharatendu Harish Chandra in Hindi, Altaf Hussain Ali in Urdu were the prominent nationalist writers in this period. National literature in the form of novels, essays, patriotic poetry also played important role in arousing national consciousness.